Guys, we're going to talk about binomial trees and how we are going to value American options using binomial trees. So let's get started. Coming to American options. So valuing the American option with a binomial model requires a consideration of ability of the holder to exercise early. So the major difference between American options and European options is that American options hold a right to exercise early, whereas European option can only be exercised at maturity. So we'll explain this taking an example. The current price of uphill monitoring is 10, the up move factor is 1.2 and the down move factor is 0.833. The probability of up move is 0.51 and probability of down move is 0.49. These four figures that they have given can also be calculated. The up move factor can be calculated, U can be calculated by e raised to sigma into root t. Sigma means this volatility and root t means time, the time length of the period that we are taking. And this probability can be calculated by e raised to rt minus d divided by u minus d. That is the formula for calculating the probability of up move factor. Down move factor is 1 minus up move factor, probability of up move factor. So risk free rate is 2%. 2-year American put option with the strike price of 12. So we'll have to calculate the put option. Okay, so this is how it goes. At S0 it is 10, it will go up to 12, that is 10 into 1.2, and it can go down to 8.33, that is 10 into 8.33, 0.833. This 12 can go up to 14.4 and can come down to 10. This 8.33 can go up to 10 and come down to 6.94. Okay, so what we'll do is, the key criteria here is standing at year 1 and valuing year 2 and then discounting it back. So I'm standing at year 1, the expected value of put option at year 2 we are valuing. Year 1, I'll first take the scenario, it goes up. I am standing at SU and valuing what happens next. So standing at SU, I see that if it goes to 14.4, since it is a put option, the value of the stock has increased. So I won't be exercising the option, I will be I'll be lapsing that. So 0 into 0.51. In the downgrade it is 10 and my value is 12. So it is lesser than my exercise price. So I'll be exercising the option. Since it is a put option, I have a right to sell at 10. So I'll be selling. So 2 I'll gain, 2 into 0.49, and I'll be bringing this back to my year 1. That for that we'll be discounting with 0.02 into 1 year. So e raised to 0.02 into 1 year will give me 0.96. Then standing at 1, I'll decide whether I'll be exercising this early or I'll be moving to next year. So standing at 1, I see that my exercise at 12, my exercise is 0. I'll not be gaining anything. So it is 0. Better I won't be exercising at this point. So coming to scenario 2. Now I am going and standing at SD, that is 8.33, and I am trying to value it is here and here. So at SD, when I stand, the expected payoff would be like, if it goes to 10, I'll get to 12 rupees, and if it comes down, then I'll be gaining somewhere around 5 point, it is written 0.56, but it is 5 point something. It is how much? 6.94. 6.94 means 5.06. It is 5.06. Right. So 5.06 will be gaining into 0.49. So then I will be bringing it back to first year, that is 0 is to 0.02 into 1 year, which gives me 3.43. So payoff at the early exercise, I'm standing here and I'm thinking about exercising it here itself. So payoff of year 1 is equal to 12 minus 8.33, that is 3.63. So I see that if I can exercise at higher price than if I wait for 1 year at when I go to SD, so I'll be exercising. Better I'll exercise. So value of option L value, then the option valuation comes. This is only finding out whether to exercise or whether don't. So while valuing option, I'll be taking the highest expected possible outcome, that is 0.96 at the up stage and 3.67 at the down stage. So 3.67 into 0.41 plus 0.96 into 0.51, and I'll be bringing it back to now. So we're bringing it back e raised to 0.02 into 1. So which gives us $2.24, which is our value of the option. So this is how we value an American option using the binomial tree. It is pretty easy. Thing is that we'll have to go and stand at year 1 to value year 2 and year 2 to value year 3. So if it is there are more binomial trees like this, they'll be standing there and valuing the next leg and bringing it back. So that's how the valuation happens. Hope you are clear. Hi guys, if you like my video, like, share and subscribe. If you have any suggestion, please comment. Thank you.